Hey tech lovers, welcome to another new episode of Mobile Funda, where today's funda is install the HyperOS 2.0 theme on Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G or Poco X6 5G. So if you have these devices, then you should definitely try this theme. By the way, if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you keep getting videos from Mobile Funda. Guys, let's talk about the layout of this theme, which looks great whether it's on lock screen or on home screen. Now, first let's check out the lock screen layout, which we'll get to see something like this. As soon as we swipe up from the bottom, a customization panel opens here, where you will get 9 clocks widget, which you can also change their color and position. The next feature is switch, which gives you some settings and shortcut options that you can use as per your preference. The third and final feature is the wallpaper, where you will get 3 options. The first is a built-in wallpaper, which is the theme's default wallpaper. The second is select wallpaper, where you can choose any wallpaper you like. The third is home screen wallpaper, and if you select this, your home screen wallpaper will also be applied to your lock screen. If you go to the lock screen setting, you will find several options to customize the lock screen, which you can choose as per your preference. Guys, now let's move to the home screen, which will get to see something like this, in which a large clock widget is also present at the top of the screen that you can also edit, like the clock style, transparency and theme. By the way, if you want to change the clock style, you can shake your phone to change it, which I found to be a really cool feature in this theme. Talking about the icons, they have a minimal style, such as camera, security, theme and message. Now let's check out the theme's control center, which looks pretty good, where the icons here are in red color, which matches well with our wallpaper. Guys, you will also see the volume control layout in a similar style with a red color tone effect. So that's all about this theme. Now the funda is how to install this theme on your phone. For this, open your phone's browser and search for Refresh Paradise MTZ, where R and P will be in capital letters. You will find several website options. Click on the third one. Then scroll down and you will see a link to the official theme store. Tap on it. This will take you directly to the theme store. Download and apply the theme from there. For the notification toggle or status bar, go to the theme store and search for DW Play V15, where D, P and V will be in capital letters. Download this and apply it as your status bar. Now the HyperOS 2.0 theme will be applied to your Note 13 Pro 5G or Poco X6 5G. That's all for today's video. I hope today's funda was clear. If yes, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such tech videos. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.